Awkward silences are bound to come up in conversation from time to time. To liven things up again and break the ice, try asking an open-ended question that requires more than a yes or no answer. For example, if you're talking to a new acquaintance, say something like, "Where are you from?" Or, "What do you like to do for fun?" If it's someone you already know, try something like, "How's your family doing?" Or, "What are your plans for the weekend?" Look for topics that you both relate to or find interesting, such as a shared hobby or TV show you both watch. Focus on what the other person is saying and ask follow-up questions to show you're paying attention and encourage them to keep talking. If they ask you any questions, share information gradually instead of giving them a lengthy or overcomplicated answer. Keep the tone of the conversation positive, friendly, and sympathetic. If you feel it's time to wrap things up, look for a way to exit the conversation gracefully. For example, say something like, "I need to get going, but it's been great catching up. Let's talk again soon."